Hi teachers and friends. I'm Fadil Muhammad from grade 2. Today I'm going to do a science volcano experiment. For this I have a cup and some baking soda and some colors and vinegar. So first I take the colors and I put it into the baking soda. And I open this and I put the baking soda in it. Then I close it. And I take the vinegar. And I put it. Wow! It exploded. It is very nice. The reason for this is the carbon dioxide gas liberated. Will you try this at your home? Thank you.